Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to do the unboxing for the August month of Glossybox. And yes, this month we actually get our months right. Who would have guessed? So, if you're interested to find out what we had in the August Glossybox, then stick around and let's jump right into the video. Welcome back. If you haven't seen my face before, hi, my name is Andrea. I'm doing makeup and beauty videos here on YouTube, so if that sounds like something you are interested in, then I would kindly suggest to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that notification bell so you know next time when Mew uploads a new video, and also join me on Instagram at amewnition. Without further ado, let's jump right into the unboxing. Glossybox started at some point in August, I think, because basically August is their anniversary month, hence the packaging, which is very nice and cute. And what's very nice as well is that my birthday is also in August, so this feels like a personal gift to me, right? Yeah. Usually in their anniversary boxes, they have some extra goodies, which they're really good. So I'm so freaking excited. So let's try to open it up. Wait, what?
Bruh.
I mean, the bow didn't go all the way through, so what was I thinking? This month's leaflet also announces that the advent calendars are coming back. Last year's advent calendar was so freaking good and it was so worth the money. It's going to include brands like Huda Beauty, Iconic London and Lime Crime, which, correct me if I'm wrong, but those are big brands, and it's going to be about £80 for subscribers. So this is how it looks inside. Very festive for this month. Who would have guessed? Yay! Okay, let's start with the first product that I can see here, and that is a Steve Laurant lip pencil, which as usual has a very nice packaging. This little guy is a Vogue lip liner and it retails for £12.09, which sounds very good. Goody good. So let's give it a little swatch, just here. It's nice and creamy, by the way. And yeah, it's a very nice mauvey kind of pink. £12, I don't think it's too much for a lip pencil, especially because you are going to use it a lot. So good bargain. Okay, so next up we have a Molten Brown Bath and Shower Gel, and this is in the fragrance of delicious rhubarb and rose. This reminds me of the latest Glossybox event that we've been at, and that was a rooftop party, and I have to say we got some hand massages by the Molten Brown team, and that smelled heavenly. This little guy retails at a full size for £22, but at the same time this is a mini, so this guy retails for £7.33, which is not bad for these guys because yeah, they are expensive, but they're so good quality. And this smells so good. Up next we have one of their new products, because if you haven't heard already, Glossybox has come out with a skincare line and I'm so freaking excited to try this out. This little guy is an Eyeboost Cream and is just one of the items that has come out with the new Glossybox skincare range, and it's apparently going to reduce the appearance of dark circles and puffiness. Right up my street, because I haven't got as much sleep as usual lately. Maybe this is going to help me look presentable. This guy retails for £16 if you are a subscriber to Glossybox and £20 if you are not a subscriber. So, see? another reason to join in. Okay, the next item we have is a Brushworks sponge, and this is the HD Wonder Complexion sponge. It's a versatile blending sponge, 3-in-1 design, latex-free material, because some people are allergic to latex, believe it or not. So I'm curious how squishy this is. It's squishy, but it's not as squishy as a beauty blender. It's somewhere like, it's a bit more stiff. So I will give it a try and let you know on my Instagram stories. If you haven't already, follow me on Instagram, then please do. You are going to find there more content that you are not going to see here on YouTube. So join me there, okay? Good. Okay, so the very last item that we have in this month's box is an item which comes from a company which usually can be found in this Glossybox, especially in the anniversary versions. So in this case, we have a Huda Beauty Demi Matte Lipstick, and this is in the shade Shiro, as in hero, but Shiro, you know? Okay, so this little guy retails for £18, and this is a Demi Matte Cream lipstick, and as you can see, it's a very nice pinky nude, which we all agree is the best version of a lipstick. Now let's give it a little swatch, and this is it. That's a beautiful color. Cannot wait to put this on my face. Okay guys, so that concludes the August version of the Glossybox, and I have to say I'm really excited with what we found inside. And usually, like I said, the anniversary boxes are really good stuff and really good value for the price you're paying. Let's be serious, the Glossybox is about £8 plus the postage, so it runs about £11, and only this lipstick, it's £18 RRP. So you know what I'm saying? Anyway, I think I'm going to keep this guy as a background detail, like I have that Aloha one from last month, just because I absolutely love how this looks like. Let me know what you think about my new background and the details behind it in the comment section down below, because as you can see, I kind of changed it a little bit in the last videos. So let me know what you think about it, and any suggestions, pop them down there. Okay guys, so that was it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that notification bell so you know next time when Mew uploads a new video, and also join me on Instagram at amewnition. You can also find me on Twitter at amewnition as well. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. Bye!